Page 45, July the 4th. A rather important date for people here in the United States. We're just doing more fourths, interval of a fourth. At the top, they give you a little note, find the fourths. Well, okay, find the fourths. Well, we got 3 C's and then an F. Well, that's a fourth right there. And then going on that, no, that's a third. From the F to the D, that's a third. And then going on, you hear, that's a fourth. Going from the third to the fourth major. And then a second, and a second, a second. The second line, you got the C and the fourth here, and then here. That's a fourth, and then a bunch of seconds. So there's a few fourths in there, okay. Now let's look this over and see what we got, now that I just about played it all. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 3/4 time signature now, so there's only 3 counts in a measure. Quarter notes, dotted half notes, and some tied notes. No rests here, we're playing everything. Right hand plays the first line, left hand plays the second. So let's check and make sure we got the notes and rhythms okay. Right hand, your thumb here, we're still in C position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember the dotted half note is the same as 3 quarter notes. So it gets 3 counts in 3/4 time. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You get it? And at the end of the line, that F, that's tied. You're going to hold that down for 6 counts. You just love it. And then the second line, you do the same thing left. It's the same rhythm, same notes really, for the left hand. Then go back, get rid of the hesitations. Make sure it's a steady beat throughout. And then we can think about the articulation. Well, they do give us some slurs here. So at the beginning, you see the words, there's an exclamation point. You can lift up there, take a breath here, lift up. Lift up. Connect this. Connect, and then lift up, go on. Lift up. Lift up. Connect all that. So lift up between the words, the sentences. I'll get there, give me a moment. Lift up between the sentences there. Then I think about the dynamics. Well, it's loud all the way through. You don't need the F on the second line. It's just loud, whatever you think loud is. Okay, whatever. And speed, moderately fast again, sort of fast. Happy piece. Depends on how much wine I've had to drink. Something like so. Please don't copy me. You take it at your speed, how you see fit, at your loudness, whatever it is. Now let's go back into this interpretation thing a little more. I talked about natural accents in the previous video. I want to talk about them here. The first beat of the measure, remember, is always the strongest. It doesn't matter what the time signature is. The first beat of the measure is the strongest. Well, in 3/4 time, it's the only one. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can exaggerate them if you need to. But the idea is to feel them. You don't force them, you feel them. So 1, 2, 3. Think of people dancing to this on something. So you want to get past the mechanics, the notes and the rhythms and the dynamics and all that. And you want to get into feeling the music. How do you feel this music? It's a happy piece. It's a celebration, a party piece. So think party or something. I need more coffee for that, but you can do it. Let's play this together slowly to check the notes and the rhythm. Now this is after you've learned it. So I'll give us 3 counts. I'm not going to do any dynamics. I'll just play everything about the same. But I will do the lifting up between the sentences. 1, ready, go. 2, 3. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. 3, tie, 2, 3. Now there is a duet part for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what we just played, but I'm going to speed this way up. So it's going to go here. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. We're going to go that fast. And again, I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So just pretend the middle C instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. 1, ready, go.